Well, Bert, I must be floating along.
Oh, must you? Well, I love your cloud costume, Snuff.
Oh, thanks. Bye, Bert.
Bye-bye, Snuff. You're gonna be a smash in that play!
What are you yelling at?
Hey, Bird.
Oh,
what's all the noise?
Sorry, but I was just calling to say goodbye to my friend Mr. Snuffleupagus. Gee,
Oh?
it's too bad, because you just missed him.
Well, what else is new?
Well, what's new? Why, today Snuffy was a cloud.
Mr. Snuffleupagus was a cloud.
Oh, sure.
Big Bird.
Yeah, and he sang a cloud song. And he was floating through the air and... Well, maybe you had to be there.
Yeah.
But still, he was wearing a tutu.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters D and G and by the number 3. Sesame Street is a production of the oh yeah, the Children's Television Workshop.